Hello, welcome. We are still working with coordinate geometry, gradients. In this video, let us prove that line through points A 3,1 and B 3,4 is vertical. The question says, show that a straight line passing through points A 3,1 and B 3,4 is vertical. Given, we have point A, that is 3,1, and point B, that is 3,4. We are supposed to show line A, B is vertical. To check this, we calculate the slope. The slope M is given by change in y over change in x. That is, M is equal to y2 take away y1 over x2 minus x1. Let us call point A as x1, y1, and point B as x2, y2. Now substitute this to the formula. We got slope is equal to y2, which is equal to 4, take away y1, that is 1, over x2, which is 3, take away x1, which is also 3. This gives us slope is equal to 3 over 3 minus 3, it is 0. 3 over 0 is mathematically impossible or undefined. We can say slope is undefined. This confirms that the line is vertical. Let us conclude. A line with undefined slope is vertical line. I hope you understand this question. A vertical line always has the same x coordinate. As you can see to our question, we have 3 as x coordinate, and also we have another 3 as x coordinate. This will give us undefined slope, which proves that the line is vertical. For more video on coordinate geometry, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.